Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add shipping rates on Shopify. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on markets here, okay? So after, guys, you click on markets, you want to add here a new market. Just need to click on add the market in the top right, and then you want to name this market whatever you want. Customers will not be able to see this, so don't worry about that. For example, countries I like to ship to. And then you want to select here all the countries. So I would like to, for example, for me to ship to all countries in Europe. Okay, so select here Europe, and it will select all countries in Europe. Okay, here if you want to select, for example, if you want to choose North America, it will like select, just click on and add, like click on North America, and it will select all countries in North America. You can unselect any country you don't like. That's your choice. Okay, so after that, click on add market. So after, guys, you click on add market, you just need to add now the shipping rates for this market. So next you want to click on shipping and delivery, and then after that you want to click on new profile in the top right. Now after, guys, you click on new profile, then you want to add here, you want to name this profile name. I just need to new profile name, for example. You want to add here the products. Click on select displayed items and then click done. Okay, next you want to scroll down a little bit and you want to click on add shipping zone. After that, you want to select the countries. I selected in the market, I selected Europe and North America. That's what I'm going to do again here. I'm going to find North America. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Okay, that's good. Click on, of course, the zone name, just name it, for example, new zone. Okay, click on done. And then here you want to add the rate, which is the shipping price. Here the customer rate, and I'm going to add here standard, and here the shipping price. I always go with free shipping because like customers, it seems like customers are going to buy a product with free shipping even if you include the shipping price in the product price. That's just like a marketing strategy. Like people want free shipping even though there is nothing such as free shipping, but they like to see free shipping, like to see like the product. For example, if the product costs $20 and you add $10 for the shipping, if you do like $10 for shipping and $20 for the product, like customers will just ignore the product. But do you want an expensive product but also free shipping? It's like a marketing strategy. So you can just charge here the shipping price. I'm going to add here free. Click on done and then click on save in the top right. And that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. It's very simple. That's exactly how you can add shipping rates on Shopify. You can create as many profile as you want if you want to do that. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If you have, like I said, any question, go to the comments below and tell me. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Drop a like on this video and see you guys in the next video.